Okay.
Okay. So first of all, according to the statement, mass of empty lorry is x kg, mass of bricks is 3 into x kg. So the total mass with the empty lorry and the bricks is x plus 3x, which is equal to 11,600. Now 4x is equal to 11,600. Now let's divide it. 11 into 600 divided by 4, which will be equal to 2,900. So the x is equal to 2,900 now, 2,900 kg. So what was the question? The question was find the mass of the bricks. So the mass of the bricks was 3 into x. So now we will multiply it. Mass of bricks, which is equal to 3 into 2,900, which is equal to 8,700 kilograms. Okay. Is the first question clear with everyone?
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, can you just put it down a little? I was just writing it.
Okay. Done?
No.
Okay. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 56. So let's suppose the 4 consecutive odd numbers are, find the greatest of the 4 numbers. So let the 4 consecutive odd numbers are x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6, which will be equal to 56. Because this is sum of the 4 consecutive odd numbers is 56. Focus on listening and understanding. You can write it later by checking the PDF. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 4x plus 12, which is equal to 56. 4x, which is equal to 56 minus 12. 4x, which is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, 44. And x is equal to 11. So now they said that find the greatest of the 4 numbers. So which is the greatest of these 4 numbers? This is x plus 2, this is x plus 4, this is x plus 6. So obviously x plus 6 is the greatest.
X plus
So
6.
greatest number would be greatest number x plus 6, which will be equal to 11 plus 6, which will be equal to 17. All clear? All clear for question number
Yes,
2?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let's move to the next question. David is 4 years older than Sarah and Yasser is 2 years younger than Sarah. The sum of their ages is 47. Find their respective age. So let's suppose let the age of Sarah, which is equal to x. Since Davy is 4 years older than Sarah, so it means Davy's age will be x plus 4. And since Davy is 4 years older than Sarah and Yasser is 2 years younger than Sarah, so Yasser's age is going to be, Yasser is 2 years younger than Sarah, so Yasser's age is going to be x minus 2. Okay, so now they're saying if the sum of their ages is 47, so sum of ages will be equal to x plus 4 plus x minus 2, which should be equal to 47. So when we are going to solve this, 3x plus 2 is equal to 47, 3x is equal to 45, and x is equal to 15. Okay, now what are they asking? Find their respective age. So we have to find the age of everyone. So now we are going to substitute. So number 1 was Sarah. Sarah will be 15 years old. Then it is Davies. Davies' age would be 15 plus 4, which is equal to 19 years old. The last one is Yasir, and Yasir is going to be x minus 2, that is 15 minus 2, which is equal to 13 years. All clear with everyone? Yes, question number 3 is clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if a number is tripled, it gives the same result as when 28 is added to it. If a number is tripled, so let the number is x. So if a number is tripled, means if a number is 3 into x, it gives the same results as when added to 28. So x plus 28. This is a statement. Do you understand? If a number is tripled, means 3 times x gives the same result as when added 28 to it. So when we add 28 to it, we get same result as 3x. So we get 3x minus 6, which is equal to 28, 2x, which is equal to 28, and x, which is equal to
14.
14. So just statement making is the work, and then you can just easily handle the questions. Okay. A travel agency is planning a holiday for a group of people. The agency receives quotations from two coach companies, Maya Express and Great Holidays. Maya Express charges $15 for each person, and Great Holidays charges $12 for each person, and a separate fee of $84. If the total amount charged by each company is the same, find the number of people going on the holiday. So let X represents the number of people going on the holiday. Okay, so set up the equation. So now we're going to set up the equation, the amount charged by Maya Express. Maya Express per person. The charge by Maya Express per person would be $15, and the amount charged by Great Holidays. The Maya Express charges $15 for each person. So the total amount for the Maya Express is 15x. But the total amount for Great Holidays is 12 persons plus 84. Great Holidays वाले जो हैं वो 84 extra charges ले रहे हैं. So Great Holidays की हमारी equation क्या बनेगी? For Great Holidays, we will write 12x plus 84. This is very important point. For Maya Express, they are only charging $15 for per person. But for Great Holidays, they are charging $12 per person and a separate fee of 84. Okay. So for Great Holidays, we are going to add 84 in it. This is the important point. Okay. So after adding this, they say, after end of the statement, they say the total amount charged by each company is same. So if the total amount is same, so it means both the statements should be equal to each other. 15x is equal to 12x plus 84, which will be equal to 15x minus 12x, which is equal to 84, 3x, which is equal to 84, x, which is equal to 28. Got it? All clear?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
while making the statement,
Yes,
take care of
miss.
the thing. Take care of the thing that Great Holidays are charging 84, a separate fee of 84. So that is the important point for this question. The sum of two numbers, one of which is 2/3 of the other is 45. So the sum of let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. So they are saying the sum, one of which is 2/3 of the other. So if y will be equal to 2/3 of x, because they are saying one number is 2/3 of the other. So we have two numbers x and y, so y will be equal to 2/3 of x. So sum of two numbers. So if we add these two numbers, x plus y is equal to 45, and y is equal to 2/3x. Instead of y, we can substitute 2/3x, right? So we will get 45. So when we are going to solve it, multiply by 3, divide by 3, we will get 5 by 3x, which is equal to 45. And then we will get x is equal to 45 multiplied by 3 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 9 is 45. So x is equal to 18. Is it clear? First of all, you are going to make the statement that there are two numbers, and then you are going to follow this at which two-third of the other. One number is two-third of the other. After following this, we will follow sum of two numbers. So sum of two numbers is 45, and then you are going to substitute it, and then you will get the answer. So you just need to follow the statement in a good way to do these questions accurately. When a number x is multiplied by 4, then subtracted from 68, the result obtained is the same as 3 times of the sum of x and 4. Okay, listen carefully. There is a number x, and this number is multiplied by 4. So it is 4x. Then subtracted from 68. आपको पता है जब from आता है तो हम उसको पहले लिख देते हैं from 68. Okay. The result means equal to. Obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of x and 4. X और 4 का sum. 3 times the sum of x and 4. I समझ? Again, I'm telling you. Number है x, it is multiplied by 4 and then subtracted from 68. The result means equal to. Obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of x and 4, x और 4 का sum. अब इसको solve करेंगे 68 minus 4x, which is equal to 3x plus 12. So we are going to get 68 minus 12, which is equal to 3x plus 4x. So we are going to get 8 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 5, and 7x. And 56 by 7 will be the answer, or we can just divide it to get 8. Yes, बच्चों, किस किस को इस क्वेश्चन की समझ आ गई है?
मैम नहीं.
सबको आ गई है?
Yes.
Any problem or confusion
Yes.
till question number 7? Ayat, Kareem, and Muhammad.
No.
Okay. In a school, the number of boys who play susa is 3 times of those who play badminton. If 12 boys who
Ma'am,
play
it is
susa
not
play badminton instead,
ma'am. It is soccer.
yes, sorry,
It is soccer.
I'm unable to understand what you're saying. Speak loudly. Hello?
Ma'am, I was
Miss-
saying it was soccer.
It was snooker? Acha, it was saucer. Okay. In a school, the number of boys who play saucer is 3 times of those who play badminton. Okay. So if 12 boys who play saucer play badminton instead, the number of boys who play each of these sports would be same. Find the number of boys who play badminton. Okay. So let the number of boys who play badminton is x. Let number of boys who play badminton is x. Okay. Since the number of boys who play saucer is 3 times that of the badminton, so number of boys who play saucer will be 3x. Then they're saying if 12 boys play badminton instead. So 12 boys who play saucer play badminton instead, then the number of boys who play each sport will be 3x minus 12, which is equal to x plus 12. Now you understand this? We subtract from saucer and add into badminton because they're saying there were 12 boys who were playing saucer, now they play badminton instead. So from saucer we subtract him, and from badminton we add him. Now we got our equation. So it's 3x minus x, which is equal to 12 plus 12, 2x, which is equal to 24, and x, which is equal to 12. Yes, students. Is everyone clear with this? Yes, students. Can you understand question number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Harim and Ayat. All clear? Okay. Okay. A man is 6 times as old as his son. So let's suppose let current age of son is x years. Okay. A man is 6 times as old as his son. So man's age would be 6x years. 20 years later. So what happens in 20 years? After 20 years, what will happen? The man will be twice as old as his son. So man is going to be twice as old as his son. So it means after 20 years, son was X years old. So after 20 years, son will become X plus 20 years old. And man is going to become twice as his son. Now, what is this happening? Wait. Basically, I should write it like this. Current age of son is X years. Current age of sun is X years and man's current age of man is 6x years. So after 20 years, sun's age after 20 years will become x plus 20. And man age after 20 years will become 6x plus 20. यहाँ तक तो easy है, clear है. सन की एज x थी, मैन की 6x थी. आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स सन की x प्लस 20 और मैन की 6x प्लस 20 हो गई. यहाँ तक तो वो लोग हो गया. अब लास्ट में वो कह रहे हैं द मैन विल बी ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज हिज सन. अब इसको हमने लिख लेना है. द मैन विल बी ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज हिज सन. तो मैन जो है वो अपने सन से 2 गुना हो गया. तो हमने सन की एज को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर. बस यहाँ पे आके एक हमने ट्रिक लगाया है. दिस मैन जो है वो अपने बेटे से 2 टाइम्स बड़ा हो गया. तो इट मीन्स हमने जो सन की एज है उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, सो वो दोनों इक्वेट कर सके हैं. So now we are going to equate them, which is equal to 2x plus 40, which will be equal to 6x minus 2x, which is equal to 40 minus 20, 4x, which is equal to 20, x, which is equal to 5. So x का आंसर 5 आ गया, but they are not asking for x. They are saying find the age of the man when his son was born. Man की age find करनी है हमने. So son is 5 years old, so the man is, हाय, सन की एज हमारे पास आ गई x. सन की एज आई है x. तो सन एज, कीप योर माइक ऑफ ना, किसकी आवाजें आ रही हैं. और मैन की एज क्या होगी 6x, तो वो हो गई 6 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू 30. तो मैन की करंट एज तो 30 आ गई है, बट वो करंट एज नहीं मांग रहे. वो कह रहे हैं जब व्हेन द सन वाज बोर्न, जब बच्चा हुआ था तब क्या एज, उसकी एज को फाइंड आउट हमें करना है. 30 minus 5 which is equal to 20. Okay, now just give me 1 minute, I'm getting back to you. A chocolate cake costs $2 more than a butter cake. The cost of 6 chocolate cakes and a 5 butter cakes is this. Find the cost of a chocolate cake. The answer you have to listen every question. I'm going to ask you people at the end of the questions. Okay, let the cost of butter cake be B. Let cost of butter cake is equal to B. Then cost of chocolate cake, cost of chocolate cake is equal to B plus 2. The total cost will be, according to the statement, the total cost is going to be 6 B plus 2 plus 5B, which is equal to 130.80. Now let's check it. A chocolate cake costs $2 more than a butter cake. So chocolate cake की butter cake cost is B, so chocolate cake will be B plus 2. The cost of 6 chocolate cakes, यानी कि 6 into B plus 2, and 5 butter cakes, यानी कि 5 into B will be equal to 130.80. Let's solve this. 6B plus 12 plus 5B, which is equal to 130.80. So 6, 11B, which is equal to 130.80 minus 12, 11B, which is equal to 130.80 minus 12, which is equal to 118.8. So B is equal to 118.8 divided by 11, 10.8. All clear?
Yes,
Now they
ma'am.
are asking, but they are asking find the cost of chocolate cake. So chocolate cake will be equal to chocolate cake will be equal to 10.8 plus 2, right? Because it
So
was B
equals to
plus 2.
12.8.
So it will be equal to 12.8. Very good. Okay, so we have next question. It is question number 11, and meeting is also going to end in a few minutes. Okay. So question number 11 says Albert has 12 more 10-cent coins and 20-cent coins. The total value of all his coins is 5.40. Find the total number of coins he have. Okay, so let the number of 20-cent coins be. Let the number of 20 cents coin be X. So let the number of 10 cents coins will be the number of 10 cents coins is going to be X plus 12. Okay, so equation will become 0.20x plus 0.10x 0.10x plus 12 which is equal to 5.40. अब ये equation कैसे आई? Listen carefully. Albert has 12 more 10-cent coins than 20-cent coins. So number of 20-cent coins be x, so 10 cents coins be x plus 12. Total value of all coins is $5.40. तो जो cents को डॉलर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. तो 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 0.10, 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 0.20 हो जाएगा. तो अब 0.20x plus 0.10 into x plus 12 यानी कि 10 cents coins which will be total value will be equal to 5.40. So in this way we find out this equation. 0.20x plus 0.10x plus 12 into 0.10 will be 1.20 which is equal to 5.40. So it's going to be 3.0x which is equal to 5.40 minus 1.20 which is equal to 4.2. So x is equal to 4.2 divided by 0.30 divided by 0.30 which is 14. So x is equal to 14. Yes. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. The next question is, I think this is the last question. Let's try this. Lee Ping cycles the first 350 km of a 470 km journey at a certain average speed and the remaining distance at an average speed that is 15 km per hour less than that of the first part of the journey. If the time taken for her to travel each part of her journey is the same, find the average speed for the second part of the journey. So let the average speed for the first part of the journey. Average speed for first part of journey is equal to x kilometer per hour. Since the second part of the journey is 15 km per hour slower, the average speed for second part is going to be average speed for second part is going to be x minus 15 km per hour. So now we're going to set up the equation 350 divided by x which is equal to 470 minus 350 divided by x minus 15. अब ये मैंने कैसे किया? अब देखो स्पीड के इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम होता है, ठीक है. तो अब हमें सबसे पहले वी नो 350 किलोमीटर एंड 470 किलोमीटर जर्नी. So for 350 kilometer, what was the speed? X. And we need to calculate if the time taken for her travel to each part of her journey is the same, find the average speed of the second part of the journey. Okay, so we need to find out the speed. And for the first part, 350 kilometer is the distance, and 470 kilometers is the distance for the second part. And 15 kilometer per hour is the speed for the first part, and for the second part we need to find the speed. तो हमने इनको डिवाइड करना है. So 350 और फर्स्ट पार्ट की जो स्पीड थी वो x है, तो 350 डिस्टेंस था और x स्पीड है. और सेकंड पार्ट के जो डिस्टेंस है वो कितना होगा, 470 में से 350 माइनस करेंगे तो सेकंड पार्ट का डिस्टेंस आएगा. और सेकंड पार्ट की स्पीड हमें पता है x माइनस 15 है. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस हमने न्यूमिनेटर में लिखना है, स्पीड हमने डिनोमिनेटर में लिखनी है. तो डिस्टेंस फर्स्ट पार्ट का 350 है और स्पीड फर्स्ट पार्ट की x है, ये मैंने लेट की है. और डिस्टेंस सेकंड पार्ट का 470 माइनस 350, यानी कि फर्स्ट में से सेकंड को माइनस करना है. और स्पीड सेकंड पार्ट की x माइनस 15 है, ये भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है. ये बात क्लियर हुई? अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ अगर ये बात क्लियर हो जाएगी तो फिर कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं रहेगा. 350 के क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, बट आई होप यू आर वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग कर लोगे. ओके, 470 माइनस 350 क्या होता है? 120 होता है. 120 multiplied by x. So we are going to get 350x minus 350 multiplied by 5, which is 1750, which is equal to 120x. So 350x minus 120x, which is equal to 1750. So 350 minus 120 will be equal to 230x, which is equal to 1750. X, which is equal to 1750 divided by 237.6. Okay, so we are done with it. And we're going to write 7.6 kilometer per hour. This is our final answer. Okay, so next question is going to be sum of the half of a number and 49. Sum of half of a number and 49 is 2 whole 1 by 4 times of the number. Find the number. So let the number is sum of half of the number and 49. It means 49 1 by 2x plus 49. So which will be equal to sum of half of a number and 49 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4 basically. So 1 by 2x plus 49 is equal to 4 times 2 is 8, 9 by 4. 1 by 2x, which is equal to 9 by 4 minus 49. Okay, 9 by 4 minus 49 will be equal to 9 by 4. Basically, wait. It should be 9 by 4x to be equal to 49, which is equal to 7 by 4x. 49 times 4 by 7 is equal to x. So 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 4 is 28. So x will be equal to 28. Okay, the last question. The numerator of a fraction is 5 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to the numerator and to the denominator, the new fraction is 2 by 3. Find the fraction. Okay. So let's say we have x in the numerator and y in the denominator. Let's suppose x is in the numerator. Let x is in numerator. Y is in denominator. Okay. So it means the numerator of a fraction is 5 less than the denominator. So it means x plus 5 will be equal to y. Right? Okay. So if 1 is added to the numerator, so let's add 1 in the numerator, x plus 1, and to the denominator. And let's add 1 to the denominator as well. So it will be equal to 2 by 3. Now we know that y is equal to x plus 5, so we can write x plus 1 divided by x plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3. So we can write x plus 1 divided by x plus 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 2 times x plus 6. 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 12. 3x minus 2x is equal to 12 minus 3. X is equal to 9. Okay, so now we need to find y. Y will be equal to x plus 5. So y is equal to x plus 5. So y is equal to 9 plus 5. So y is equal to 14. So the fraction will be equal to 9 by 14. Yes, बच्चों, we are done with this exercise, alhamdulillah. Bachcho, I am giving you 2 minutes. You can tell me, ask me any questions you have. We are done with exercise 7B. And the next exercise we're going to start is 7C, inshallah. Okay. Tell me, students, if there's any
C.
confusion, any problem. Yes, bachcho. Any confusion, any problem, any
No,
questions
ma'am.
you're going to tell me, please.
No.
No, because 7C is very easy
No.
exercise, so we are starting it today. And inshallah, we will complete it today as well. This is easy one, not that difficult one. We just need to substitute. Question number 1. Y is equal to 3 by 5x plus 26. Find the value of y when x is 12. So very easy. You just need to put x is 12. And now you just need to solve it. So what you're going to get? 36 by 5 plus 26 into 5 is 130 by 5, which will be equal to 166 by 5. Question number 2. It is easy now. You just need to do the substitution. S is equal to 4 pi r square. If find the value of S when r is 10 whole 1 by 2. Okay. When r is 10 whole 1 by 2 square. So we can write 4 pi. 10 times 2 is 21 by 2 square, which is equal to 4 pi. 21 times 21 will be equal to 441 by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel. So the answer will be 441 into pi. Part 2 is going to be positive value of r when s is 616. So x is 616, which is equal to 4 pi r square. So 616 divided by 4 pi and taking the square root will give you r. So 616 divided by 4 pi and taking the square root will give you 7. So r is equal to 7. Question number 3 is if a is equal to y square minus x 8 by 5, find the value of a when x is 2, y is minus 1, z is minus 6. So just substitute. Minus 1 square minus 2 minus 3 divided by 5. 1 plus 6 by 5, 7 by 5. Okay. Question number 4. K is equal to, find value of p when k is equal to 7. P plus 2q is 9 divided by 3. So it would be 21 minus 18, which is equal to P. So P is equal to, बच्चों समझ आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? बहुत easy को हरीम partner can't do it. Okay. So बहुत easy questions, so therefore I'm doing them fastly. Please Harim, Ayat and Muhannad, let me know if you are people getting through what I am doing or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Confirm now. Okay. Part A. Find a product for each of the following products. P for three numbers X, Y, Z. Okay. Sum S of the square of P. Okay. Sum S of the square of P and cube of Q. Okay. Square of P and cube of Q. Average A for four numbers M plus N plus P plus Q divided by 4. Time T in minutes for a train journey of A hours and B minutes. Time T in minutes for our train journey of A hours and B minutes. So what will be it?
A hours and B minutes.
A hours, yani कि 1 hour has 60 minutes now. So it can be 60A plus B. So T will be equal to 60A plus B, right? Yes. Okay, done with it. Question number 6. U is equal to pi r plus h. U is equal to 16 whole 1 by 2, which is equal to pi. We can take pi by 22 by 7 because they have written 22 by 7. And we need to find r because h is going to be 2. So just, isn't it very easy questions? I find them very easy. 33 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 22, which is equal to r plus 2. So if we go with table of 11 times 2 is 22, 11 times 3 is 33. 7 times 3 is 21 by 4 minus 2, which is equal to r. 4, 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 21 minus 8 is going to be 13 by 4, which is the value of r. Okay, question number 7 is b square is equal to u square plus 2gs. Find the value of s when b is 25 square, u is 12 square, plus 2g is 10 and s. 25 square, 625 is equal to 144 plus 20s. So we can write 625 minus 144 is equal to 20s. 625 minus 144, 481 by 20 is equal to s. 481 divided by 20. So we can leave the answer here. We can convert it in the decimal. If you have calculator, then you can convert into decimal. If you don't have calculator, then you can leave it in the fraction. Okay. Okay. Come to question number 8. 1 over a minus 1 over b is equal to 1 over c plus 1 over d. Find the value of is equal to 1 over c plus 1 over d. Find the value of c when 1 over a is 1 by 2 minus 1 over b is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 over c plus 1 over d is minus 1 by 5. So, bachcho, now we have everything in the denominator. So, what will happen? मैं आपको यहाँ रफ पे करके बताती हूँ. 1 basically 1 divide हो रहा है 1 by 2 से. तो रेसिप्रोकल होके 1 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 2 by 1 बन जाएगा. तो इसका आंसर 2 आ जाएगा. ये मैंने एक कर दिया है इन द साइड. तो जो सबसे नीचे होगा वो ऊपर आ जाएगा 2 आ जाएगा 4 आ जाएगा इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3 रहेगा और माइनस 5 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. बाकी मैंने नहीं किया. आई हैव डन ओनली 1 एंड आई हैव मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 by 2 है तो रेसिप्रोकल होके 2 by 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So it's going to be minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 1 by c. And it is going to be 3c is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Question number 9. C is equal to a by b minus d minus e by f minus d. Find the value of f. Okay. When a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 6. जहां जहां वैल्यूज आ रही हैं हम लिखते जाएंगे. minus 5 minus c है 2, f minus d क्या है? What is d? d is minus 5. C is -6, B is 4, A is 3. Okay. Okay, so -6 minus 3 by 4, which will be equal to minus 7 by F plus 5. Okay, so it would become 24, 25, 26 minus 27 by 4, which is equal to minus 7 by F plus 5. तो बच्चों यहाँ हम कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ भी माइनस है, यहाँ भी, तो we can cancel out these minus. So we will get 27 into F plus 5, which is equal to 7 into 4, which is equal to 28. So 27F plus 27 into 5, which is equal to 135, 28. 27F is equal to 28 minus 135. So 28 minus 135, which is equal to minus 107 by 27, which will be equal to nothing. This is the answer. Yes, bachcho. Clear? Are you following me or not? M
Yes,
nx
ma'am.
minus y divided by z, which is equal to 5 into n. Okay, find the value of n when m is 6. N हमने find करना है x square. What is x? X is -2. So -2 square minus what is y? -3. And what is z? -5. 5n. Okay. So 6 -2 square is 4. So it would be 4n plus 3 and minus 25n. So it would be 24n plus 18, which is equal to minus 25n. So 24n plus 25n,
Plus
which is equal
25
to
n equals to 18.
minus 18. So 9 and 49n will be equal to minus 18, and n will be equal to minus 18 by 49. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Find a formula for sum S of any four consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so how we are going to do this one? Remember, हमने भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन किया है पीछे. So it's a similar type of question. Okay, find the formula for the sum S of any four consecutive odd numbers. So let the four consecutive odd numbers be. Let the four consecutive odd numbers A plus 2. अभी हमने पीछे सेम ऐसा क्वेश्चन किया A plus 4, A plus 6. अच्छा, अब हमने अगर इसका सम फाइंड करना है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 2 प्लस A plus 4. जब मैंने x कॉमन लेट किया था x को इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई लेट s, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 2 3 4 4A plus 12. तो सम इसका हो जाएगा 4A plus 12. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ s व्हेन द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑड नंबर इज -17. तो अगर ग्रेटेस्ट ऑड नंबर याद है हमने किया था x plus 6, तो ग्रेटेस्ट ऑड नंबर -17 होगा, तो a क्या आ जाएगा? -17 -6. सो a विल बी इक्वल टू -23. तो यहाँ से वो कैलकुलेटेड a. अब क्योंकि हमारा a निकल आया, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट सम एज वेल. Plus 12. So 4 into 23 will be equal to -92 plus 12, 80. So the answer is going to be -80. The answer for the sum. अच्छा, इसमें दो पार्ट्स हैं बेसिकली. फर्स्ट पार्ट का तो आंसर है 4A plus 12, क्योंकि बस सम फाइंड करने हैं. सेकेंड पार्ट में a की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा -80. ओके, come to question number 12. Joyce has four siblings with an age gap of 2 years between each child. Find a formula for the sum of the total ages of Joyce and her siblings. Let the youngest child be X years old. Is X years old. Okay. Since there is a 2-year age gap between each child, so the next sibling is going to be 2 years के बाद next sibling आई. So it means next sibling is going to be x plus 2 years old. And again, the next sibling is going to be x plus 4 years old. And the last sibling is going to be oldest one, x plus 6 years old. हर 2 years बाद they have the siblings. Okay. So sum of the siblings क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6, and the sum is going to be equal to the total sum of the ages is equal to, क्या कह रहे हैं वो, they don't tell how ये किसके इक्वल है, बस वो कह रहे हैं कि इन सबको सम करके बता दो क्या आता है. तो 4x plus 12 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. इन सबको सम किया. ये हमारा पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट हो गया. पार्ट 1 में उसने हमें ये बताया that younger sibling जो है वो x years की है, the next sibling is 2 years greater, so x plus 2, then 2 years older, x plus 4, then 2 years older, x plus 6. So we add them all, we get 4x plus 12. So second part में they're saying the youngest sibling is now 4 years old. So youngest मतलब जो सबसे छोटी थी, so now x is going to be 4. They are saying x is equal to 4. Okay. Find the sum of their total ages. तो अब कह रहे हैं कि भाई total ages का sum बता दें, तो we will do it 4 into 4 plus 12, which is going to be 16 plus 12, which is going to be 16 plus 12, which is equal to 16 plus 12 will be 28. Got it? Yes, बच्चों, all clear हुआ नहीं हुआ? Take a moment to look at all of these questions and I'm just getting back to you.